So Odogwu Asaba the rapist actually infected Favour Agboro, the girl that have unalived herself with Staphylococcus aureus infection. E give the girl. Have you people seen the chat that Israel Joe posted? Israel Joe posted chat between Favour and Odogwu of Asaba. Look at the chat. She was begging this guy to give her money to treat infection. When the first chat come out, when I make video to try and interpret say dis na wetin dis chat mean, many of them come after me. Enomi, you don't know what you are saying. That's not what it means. That's not it. They were negotiating price. She say hook up. She say this. She say that. I come say sure. Abi no be dis chat wey I dey see so. Another one dey. Because I no understand where una for here say she's a hook up for inside the chat. Now when Israel Joe don post this one now, wetin una gat to talk? Smally wey you use 24 years take senior. As a matter of fact, Favour, if to say that nonsense Odogwu Asaba quick born, if for born pikin like Favour, because a 24-year-old can give birth to a 20-year-old. Yes. Yes. You no see your Omotola children. You see as all of them don big finish because she quick marry. All those time wey we dey see Omotola for screen, so she don marry already. She married at, very young. Na mean she quick born her children. So if Odogwu Asaba marry or he give girl belle at the age of 18, 20, if for born pikin wey senior Favour sef, because she was just 21 years old. She suppose complete 21 next month August. Meanwhile Odogwu na 44, so good 25 years na im take senior that pikin. Abi no 23. So a 21 years old girl confided in you as a 44-year-old man, say I be need some financial help and somebody wey go also teach me how to do con ten t, because dem don already dey do the con ten t online. Na Odogwu Asaba tell her say come Asaba, I go pay your transport. And we don even dey get the news now say no be Odogwu Asaba pay transport, say na im senior brother na im pay transport. The girl just chat his senior brother say abeg e get wetin I wan use money do, send money for me. His senior brother come send money for am. But the senior brother no know say e dey go meet Odogwu for Asaba for con ten t. Pikin wey reach to be your own daughter confide in you say I need some financial help and I need to learn con ten t. The boy tell am say come, the one wey we don dey do online, because he dey make videos. Una no see the video wey I post 3 days ago wey he talk say he wan teach 20 people for free how to create con ten t. Say he go teach some people online, he go teach some people, dem go come im place for Asaba. Una no see that video? Na wetin he take deceive the lives of dem Favour be that. Only for the smally to reach there finish na you tell am say you no fit teach am for store, make una go where you dey relax. You carry am go there. You forcefully penetrate this girl, you grape this girl to number nonsense. She reach house finish. On top of say she dey bleed, she later discover say she get infection. Dis pikin dey beg you say abeg, see the chat for here. Many of una wey dey judge the girl say why she go kpai herself, this that. As if say life no dey sweet the girl. She was frustrated. And those of una wey dey blame the parents say the parents na yeye parents, no. I hear from the girl sister yesterday say the parents dey very strict. That one na part of the reason why the girl go kpai herself, because their mother dey very strict. They teach them how to keep themselves pure until marriage. She and her twin sister na virgin. When she lost her virginity, so she no even go tell her parents out of fear. Say my mama, my parents go dey disappointed in me, and plus the fact say I come still carry infection join her. This girl was begging Odogwu. Look at the chat here now, because una misinterpret the other chat just to suit you people's narrative, because Nigerians, you all like to victim blames. Wetin dey pain me pass na when I dey see women dey support men narrative, saying na hook up she be. Like what the fuck? As a woman, you're saying that? If it happens to your daughter, man take advantage of your daughter, would you also say that? Would you also say that? Look at the chat. Posted this chat yesterday. The girl dey even dey tell am say fluid dey come out for my private. I dey change. If you don ever get it, no girl for this life wey go tell, okay, maybe just 1% of girls, let me not say no girl, 1% of girls na im dey lucky say maybe they never get infection for their life before. And guess what? When I say infection, you no necessarily mean say e must come from say you knack o. You fit get infection normally. You get my point? Okay, now Any girl wey don ever get infection before know how e be when you get infection. Once you start to dey discharge like dis, normally girl dey discharge but na clear discharge wey no dey smell, but when your discharge don dey smell like dis, e don get maybe like yellowish or brownish or greenish colour, you suppose know sey normally something dey wrong for inside your body as a babe. Okay, dis girl now e comot for your house, you grape am finish, you no even give her anything. Okay, if at all sey she no be hook up before, as e come be sey you come take advantage of the girl, you no come even get kindness for your heart to say okay, dis thing wey I do dis girl so e no good, oya make I sha even dey pet her, dey send her money make she treat, compensate her. Yes, she didn't come for hook up but you have already taken advantage of dis girl. Why not do the right thing at least? Show empathy, show sey you be human being. No, the girl still reach house finish, after like a week plus discover sey okay she dey tell you fluid dey come out, I dey change pants. If you be girl like I talk wey you don ever get infection before, you go know how infection be na. Once you don the thing don come out like dis, e don stain your pants, you no go dey comfortable, except sey you be dirty girl, you go wan go change am. Because if na infection, yeye infection like dat, no be just normal no be just normal discharge you dey discharge as a girl, dat infection go dey smell, and as e dey smell so you no go dey comfortable, you go must wan change. Dis girl dey tell you, you know sey you take advantage of dis girl, she still dey beg you say abeg see wetin dey happen to me, give me money. You say make she go bring police, make she call her papa and mama because you feel sey you be oga and una dey defend such an animal, and una dey defend such an animal. Dey talk say no be dis thing, no be virginity dey pay her, na just because sey the boy no pay her. Okay, as dis girl now, as you come take advantage of dis girl now, dis girl come tell you say okay give me money take treat. If to say odogwu na human being, im for no give dat girl dat money. Im for even give, okay dis girl before you even come your house tell you say e get one man wey for like help me but dis man dey ask for my body and I no want. You tell am say no worry, come Asaba make I just teach you con ten t. Everywhere good, pikin wey reach to be your pikin and you be married man oo. Una wey dey defend odogwu, forget the fact sey see wetin e do to Favour, una no even dey wonder say why married man go take the kind step. All of you are blaming Favour, why you go meet am for hotel? Una no dey ask say wetin married man dey carry young girl dey go do for hotel? All the blame is always on the victim. No matter wetin happen for Nigeria, una must look for way to blame am on the woman. Una must look for way to, as a woman just know you are not safe in Nigeria. The worst place to give birth to a girl child and raise a girl child na Naija. No matter wetin happen, as a woman na your fault. Na even though you marry now, your husband dey pound beat you, dey use blow scatter your face everyday, na your fault. If you marry, your husband dey cheat on you, na your fault. Na you na im no treat the husband well, na you no dey give am toto, na you no get respect. If you catch your husband sef, e dey cheat on you with girl, even though you catch am for your matrimonial bed, you shout, you quarrel, you scatter things, na your fault. You no get respect, you no suppose react like dat. A girl don go kpai herself na due to frustration. You grape dis girl, she tell you say she get infection, you no even fit give am money take treat am, you no even get kindness for her heart. Plus the fact say you still dey threa ten her again say no matter where she carry the matter go, say nothing go sup. And inside there so dis girl na out of fear, no even go tell her mama say okay see wetin happen, because she dey fear the judgement wey she go collect. Oh, my mama wey be think say me and my twin sister na virgin, see now I don go scatter myself. Self guilt na im make dat girl go kpai herself, and some of una dey blame the girl. Oya make una interpret dis chat for me. As una take twist dat other chat, make una still twist dis one for me. Make una still twist dis one. Some women even dey join dem dey tell say na those kind women wey dey support dis nonsense. So na una husband go dey fuck una daughters, una go know, una go keep quiet, because marriage na something wey be say if una no dey, una go die. May God help you people. And I no go pray make such a thing happen to una daughters, because at the end of the day na una be useless people, no be una children. If I say now, oh, may it happen to your daughter will just go and encounter rubbish for nothing, because dem no dey where una dey defend nonsense. May God rest Favour's soul, and I pray that she gets the justice that she deserve, because what happened to her can happen to every young girl out there, and it is not okay. It is not okay.